Jake, you've got to hear what happened to me last week.
What? You look so excited.
I made my first $200 online in just 1 week. And the crazy part? I did it while practicing my English.
Wait, what? $200? How is that even possible?
That's what I thought too. Remember last month when you told me to stop treating English like homework and start using it as a tool?
Yes, I kept saying, learn English through topics that actually matter to you.
Well, I took your advice seriously. I started watching YouTube videos about making money online, reading articles about freelancing, and joining Reddit communities about side hustles.
And that's how you earned $200?
Not directly, but here's what happened. I learned about something called freelance writing. Basically, companies pay you to write articles, blog posts, and website content.
In English?
Exactly. And you don't need perfect English. You just need to communicate clearly. Most clients care more about your ideas and ability to meet deadlines.
Okay, I need details. How did you get started?
First, I created a profile on a website called Fiverr. It's a platform where people offer services and clients hire them.
What service did you offer?
I offered to write articles about technology and education, topics I already know about. I charged $25 for a 500-word article.
And people actually hired you?
Yes. In my first week, I got 8 orders. That's $200. I couldn't believe it.
That's incredible. But wait, isn't your English still, not native level?
That's the best part. It doesn't matter. I use tools like Grammarly to check my writing. And honestly, by writing every day, my English improved dramatically.
So you're making money and improving English at the same time?
Exactly. It's the perfect combination. I'm not just studying English anymore. I'm using it professionally.
This is genius. What other ways can people make money while learning English?
Oh, I've discovered so many. Let me share what I've learned from researching and talking to people online.
I'm taking notes. Go ahead.
Okay. Option 1, freelance writing, which I just explained. It's perfect for beginners because you can start with simple topics.
What's option 2?
Virtual assistant work. Companies, especially American companies, need people to manage emails, schedule meetings, do basic research, handle customer support.
And they hire people who aren't native speakers?
Absolutely. As long as you can communicate clearly and follow instructions, you're good. Plus, you'll be using English every single day in real business situations.
That's better than any English course. What else?
Option 3, online tutoring. Not English tutoring necessarily, but tutoring subjects you're good at in English.
Like what subjects?
Anything. Math, science, programming, music, art. There are platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Italki where you can teach your skills to international students.
And you practice English while teaching?
Exactly. One of my friends teaches basic coding to American kids. He earns $20 per hour, and his English improved massively from explaining technical concepts every day.
This is blowing my mind. What's option 4?
Option 4, social media management. Small businesses need help managing their Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter accounts. You create posts, reply to comments, engage with followers.
All in English?
Yep, and you learn current slang, trending topics, and casual communication styles. Plus, you can charge $300 to $500 per month per client.
That's serious money. How do you find these clients?
Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Twitter, even cold emails. You just reach out to small businesses and offer your services.
Okay, we need to talk about this more. What's option 5?
Option 5, translation work. If you speak English and another language, there's huge demand for translators.
But isn't translation super professional and difficult?
Some translation is, yes, but there's also basic translation for social media posts, product descriptions, simple websites. You can start there and improve your skills.
Where do you find translation jobs?
Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Pros. Some pay $0.05 to $0.10 per word. So a 1,000-word translation could earn you $50 to $100.
That's actually decent. What's option 6?
Option 6, content creation on YouTube or TikTok in English. Share your knowledge about anything. Cooking, fitness, technology, studying tips.
But don't you need thousands of followers to make money?
Not anymore. YouTube Shorts and TikTok allow you to go viral quickly. Plus, you can earn from views, brand sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
And creating content forces you to speak clearly in English.
Exactly. You'll practice speaking, vocabulary, and even editing videos. It's comprehensive English practice plus potential income.
This is so motivating. What else?
Option 7, affiliate marketing. You recommend products online and earn commission when people buy through your link.
How does that help with English?
You need to write reviews, create comparison posts, engage with your audience, and understand marketing concepts, all in English. Plus, you learn about e-commerce and online business.
Where you do affiliate marketing.
You can start a blog, create YouTube videos, post on social media, or even use Reddit. Amazon Associates is the easiest program for beginners.
Okay, what's option 8?
Option 8, online surveys and user testing. Companies pay you to test their websites or apps and give feedback in English.
Is that real? How much can you make?
Websites like User Testing paid $10 per 20-minute test. You just browse a website and speak your thoughts out loud while recording.
That's perfect English speaking practice.
Right? You're literally getting paid to practice speaking English clearly. You describe what you see, what confuses you, what you like, all valuable speaking practice.
What's option 9?
Option 9, drop shipping or print-on-demand business. You create an online store selling products without holding inventory. All communication with suppliers and customers happens in English.
That sounds complicated.
It's actually simpler than you think. Shopify makes it easy. And by running a business in English, you learn professional vocabulary, customer service skills, and negotiation.
Last option. What's number 10?
Last option, remote customer support jobs. Many international companies hire support agents who can work from home answering customer emails and chats.
In English?
Yes. Companies like Amazon, Shopify, and various tech startups constantly hire. You can earn $10 to $15 per hour starting out.
And you're reading and writing English nonstop, which improves your skills crazy fast.
Exactly. My friend works customer support part-time and says her English improved more in 3 months than 3 years of classes.
So here's what I'm understanding. The traditional way is to study English, then look for opportunities. But you're saying do it simultaneously.
Yes. Use English as a tool to earn money from day one. Even if your English isn't perfect, start offering services, start creating content, start applying for jobs.
Because the best way to improve is by actually using the language in real situations.
Exactly. And here's the beautiful part. When you earn money while learning, you're motivated to improve faster. It's not just studying anymore, it's your income.
That's such a mindset shift. Most people think, I'll learn English first, then I'll use it. But they never feel ready.
Right. You'll never feel 100% ready. But if you start earning even small amounts, you build confidence and skills simultaneously.
Okay, so practical question. If someone watching has intermediate English, where should they start?
Start with freelance writing or virtual assistant work. They're beginner-friendly, don't require advanced English, and you can start seeing results in weeks, not months.
And what if someone's English is still basic?
Online surveys, social media management for simple tasks, or starting a YouTube channel in their niche. These don't require complex grammar, just clear communication.
What about people who are already advanced in English?
Translation, content creation, tutoring, or customer support jobs. These pay better and help you maintain and refine your language skills.
I love how every level has options. What's the biggest mistake people make when trying to earn money with English?
They wait until their English is perfect. Newsflash, native speakers aren't perfect either. The key is to start, make mistakes, learn, and improve while earning.
So true, and I bet making mistakes in real work situations teaches you way more than making mistakes in a classroom.
Absolutely. When a client gives you feedback, you remember it forever because there's real consequence. That's powerful learning.
Any final tips for people who want to start this journey?
Yes, 3 tips. First, pick one method from our list and focus on it for 30 days. Don't try everything at once.
Focus is key. What's tip 2?
Join online communities where people discuss making money and improving English. Reddit has amazing groups. Facebook has helpful communities. Discord has active channels.
Learning from others who are ahead of you speeds up your progress so much faster.
Exactly. And tip 3, track your progress weekly. Write down how much you earned and what English skills you improved.
That's motivating. You can see both your financial growth and language growth.
Yes, and remember, the first month might be slow. I made $200 in my first week, but the week before that, I made 0 while learning.
So patience is important.
Definitely, but once you get momentum, it's incredible. This month, I'm on track to make $600 to $800. And my English, I don't even recognize my old self.
That's inspiring. All right, everyone watching, let us know in the comments which option sounds most interesting to you.
And if you've already tried any of these, share your experience. How much did you earn, and how did your English improve?
We're building a community of people who are learning English and creating financial opportunities. You're not alone in this journey.
Let's make it happen. See you in the next video.
Keep learning and keep earning.